Why don't fighter jets just get hit by every missile? Because they have countermeasures, and they're insane. As soon as a jet detects a missile, it releases flares, burning hot magnesium that confuses heat-seeking weapons. It also uses chaff, tiny strips of aluminum that fool radar-guided missiles. Some jets even have automated systems that deploy defenses instantly, within milliseconds. And the most advanced jets? They jam the missile's signal before it even gets close. Modern air combat isn't just fast. It's a deadly game of high-tech deception.